Miss the beginning of a program? No problem. With FiTV's Restart feature, you can start most shows over from the beginning with the click of a button while they are airing. To start a program over from the beginning, click the icon of the show you want to watch, and when a pop-up window appears, choose Replay to start the show over, or Live Now to watch the remainder of the show already in progress. With FiTV's Replay feature, you can watch shows and movies up to 3 days after they air. To replay a program, simply use the search function to find it by title. Or go to that program's network in the guide. Scroll left to find it, then click on the show icon and it will start playing immediately. We're always here to help. Call 423-648-1372 anytime, day or night.